A very energetic morning to all my loving students. This is Alpna Shukla, and once again I welcome back to you all in biology class. As we know, our half-yearly examination going to be begun very soon. So before examination, we need to revise all the topics. So today we are going to revise biological classification. The process of grouping together various organisms according to their similarities, dissimilarities, and phylogenetic distant is known as the biological classification. There have been various attempts to classify organisms. The earliest was by Aristotle, who classified the plant into herb and serve and trees. He classified animals into two groups based on their presence and the absence of red blood. Then Linnaeus gave the two kingdom system has proposed. He has divided the organism into plant and animalia. After that, R.S. Victor proposed the five kingdom system of classification and classified the organisms based on their cellular structure, complementary mode of nutrition, phylogenetic relationship, and the ecological role performed by them. Victor divided the organism into Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. That was the five kingdom classification. The five kingdom classification, why the Victor has shown attributes the cell type, he classifies based on cell wall, he classifies on the base of organ complexity, and he based on the mode of nutrition. So first was the group Monera. This group is included all kinds of bacteria having a prokaryotic cell. The cell does not contain a nucleus. There are the different shape of bacteria present: spherical, corky, rod shape, vesicular, comma, variable, and the spherical seed. They are mainly produced by the fission, spore formation, and under favorable condition, and also by the DNA transfer from the one bacterium cell to another. Microplasm lack the cell wall and are the smallest cell to survive without oxygen. And that first is the RG bacteria. These bacteria are the present in the harshest environmental conditions such as the salty, marshy, and in hot spring. They are also known as holophils, methogens, and the thermoacidic phils. Methogens are the present in the gut of ruminants and the produce biogas. Eubacteria. These are the true bacteria and have a rigid cell wall, and motile organisms have flagella. Photosynthetic autotrophs. They include cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. They have chlorophylls and the carbonites. They are the unicellular, filamentous or the conical, and the body is covered a mucilagous sheet. Nostoc and the amoeba have the heterocytes. They are the can be fixed the atmospheric nitrogen. Chemosynthetic under this autotrophs. They play an important role in recycling the nutrients. They get the required energy for ATP generation from the oxidation of various inorganic substances such as ammonia, nitrates, and the nitrates. Heterotropics. There is a wide variety of heterotrophic bacteria. They act as a decomposer. They are used for the various purposes such as nitrogen fixing, curd, and antibiotic production. Many bacteria are pathogens causing the various diseases of plants and animals. For example, tetanus, typhoid, cholera, etc. So that's all for today. Rest all the topics we will revise in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.